Hi, and welcome to Pro Gun Cleaning. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to clean a long gun in our brand new unit, the PGC 3608. This unit will do a 34-inch part. Today I've got my personal AR-15 barrel. The solution we're going to be using is our Pro 100. It's food safe, military approved, safe on all polymers, metals, safe on anodizing, Cerakote, and bluing. So let's go ahead and put this in. I'll show you how it cleans. It's going to be about a 2-minute cycle. So you can see all the grime coming out of this gun. All these microscopic bubbles are going in and precision cleaning all those little crevices that you cannot reach when hand cleaning. So after your 2-minute cleaning cycle is done, with their special made baskets, you set it up on here. It drains back into the tank. You're not draining all the solution all over your shop. And from here, you would either go into our specially made solid steel basket with our Pro penetrant and lubricant oil, or you would go into, you could use our 2-tank system, same 34-inch part, but you could do a wash and our Pro lubricant and penetrant all in one tank. So after 2 minutes, we have a precision cleaned barrel. So that's it for today. And if you have any more questions, please go to www.proguncleaning.com for more information. Thanks.